So for classification problems, till now we talked about quality of learning and we need to measure it. And we measure it from a proxy which is quality of prediction. But how actually? Okay, and we said that there are different metrics. But actually how? So also we talked about classification and regression problems of machine learning, supervised learning. We talk about classification in this week, and in the next lecture we talk about regression. So classification is when the target variable is categorical, right? Let's go through an example. Let's assume that we have a forecasting channel for weather forecasting and actual values. Okay, the actual values or weather. We predicted that 31st of December would be sunny, but it was rainy. We predicted that 1st of January was sunny, but it actually actually turned out to be sunny. We predicted that the 2nd was rainy, and it was rainy. We predicted that the 3rd was rainy, would be rainy, and actually it turned out rainy. So we have the predictions and we have the actual weather. And how do we do these predictions? How did we do these predictions? Let's say we considered lots of predictors such as humidity, temperature, air pressure, and so on and so forth. So we don't want to go into the details. What we want to do is, okay, we have these actual and forecasting and predictions. These are predictions and these are actuals. Okay, and we compare, and let's say that for the actual we have only two values of sunny and rainy. So you can compare them and write that, okay, these two are prediction was incorrect. For these two, our prediction was correct. For these two, our prediction was correct. For these two, our prediction was correct. And therefore, the number of correct cases is 3 and is 3. And the number of the total number of predictions, the total efforts that we have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the total number of correct over the total number of predictions. And this is equal to 0.75 or 75%. This is a metric, and this is a very common metric. It is called accuracy. It is a metric for classification. So no more vague terms as quality of learning. We now have one actual metric. What is this metric? It is accuracy. Okay, so let's review it. We want to evaluate, we want to assess the quality of learning, and we use quality of prediction as a proxy. And how we measure quality of prediction? There are different metrics. One of them is accuracy for classification problems. For regression problems, we will introduce another metric, but not now. It's enough for you to learn accuracy and the concepts.